Come on over, man. Come chit chat with me. Okay.
Sammy,
Yes, sir.
I'm happy for you.
Okay.
I got you the best vehicle we have on the dealership.
I'm looking at it. It's got
Tahoe 2018 Premier.
It's got leather seats. I like that.
Magnetic suspension.
Mm-hmm.
So that means that you're not gonna ride on air or liquid anymore.
Okay.
Everything's gonna be smooth.
It sounds like a UFO.
and
I'm floating on magnets.
Yes, sir.
So what what happens if my magnets fly off? Am I like literally flying?
Enjoy the ride.
Okay. Well, that's
Premium
cool.
audio,
Uh-huh.
plenty of connectivity.
Mm-hmm.
You have Android and Apple CarPlay on the vehicle.
Great.
So you're not gonna be missing any information.
Okay.
Wi-Fi inside and out of the vehicle.
Oh, nice.
You're gonna have an application where you can turn on your vehicle from your phone,
Okay.
locate the vehicle from your phone.
Okay.
Don't give that to your wife though. She's gonna be tracking you all the time.
All right, I'll behave.
You can check the tire pressure, the oil life, a full diagnostic from your phone.
All right.
Full control. of the
Great.
vehicle.
I love it.
You have a wireless charger in
Uh-huh.
your vehicle. You don't have to be missing connecting your phone. and
Wireless
stuff.
charger.
Of course.
Awesome.
I got you the best.
Awesome. Thank you,
I'm hoping
Danielle.
for a good experience.
Okay, sounds good. Danielle, Family Chevrolet. Thank you, Family Chevrolet. We've got ourselves a Tahoe. Ow! I'll let you guys know what's going on in the next couple of weeks. Thanks again. Family
okay.
Chevrolet.
You have a nice fancy screen that goes up and down.
Wow.
It's similar, all the Cadillac things, but on a Chevy.
Very nice. I like that.
Backup camera, AC on the seats, so you're gonna be feeling nice all the time.
Oh, wow, I can feel that right now. My butt's cooling off. I like that.
Premium audio. We got you the best vehicle on our dealership.
I like this a lot. Thank you, Family Chevrolet. Thank you, Danielle. This is a really, really, really nice Tahoe. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Enjoy. I'll see you in 30 days.
All right.
And you're gonna be a convinced customer.
I'm pretty convinced of Chevy. Thank you. Awesome.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thanks. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Get out. I'm out of here.